Have you ever seen someone's hand shaking or trembling slightly while at rest? Or you might have seen someone walking slower than usual, struggling to button their shirt or taking tiny shuffling steps. What is these minor changes are more than just signs of aging? Well, they could be early indications of neurological condition that affects over 10 million people worldwide. That is Parkinson's disease. Hello everyone, welcome to the Bharat Homeopathy. I am Dr. Madhvi Vash and I have extensive knowledge in treating neurological disorders with natural and holistic treatment. I have treated more than 1,000 Parkinson's patients with our personalized and customized treatment along with natural diet and Parkinson's friendly physical exercises. Today in my video, I will tell you the common motor signs and symptoms of Parkinson's. If you are worried about yourself or your loved one, this video is for you. At the end of this video, you will learn how a natural and holistic treatment approach can help you manage your Parkinson's effectively. So let's begin. The first symptom is tremor. This is probably the most widely recognized symptom of Parkinson's. About 70% of people with Parkinson's experience it at some point. The common tremor type is resting tremor. It means the hand, finger or sometimes the chin or lips shake when the body part is at rest. Okay, let me explain to you with an example. Someone sitting with their hands in their lap might notice their thumb and forefinger rhythmically rubbing together in what's called the pill rolling tremor. And you know what's interesting in that? These tremors often go away when persons start using the muscle, like reaching for a glass of water and then return when hand is resting again. Tremors usually start on one side of the body before gradually spreading to both the sides. Now, tremor doesn't necessarily mean Parkinson's. There are many causes of shaking hands like essential tremor or thyroid issue. But the resting tremor is considered a hallmark symptom of Parkinson's diagnosis. The next is bradykinesia, which literally means slowness of movement. This symptom is often the most disabling part of Parkinson's. It's not just about moving slowly, it's about difficulty initiating movement. Imagine telling your legs to walk, but they feel like they are stuck in cement. Everyday tasks like buttoning a shirt, brushing teeth, even getting up from a chair can become challenging and time consuming. Bradykinesia can also cause a masked face or hypomimia, where facial expressions decrease and the person might look less animated even though they feel the same emotions inside. Their voice might also become softer. This is called hypophonia. Bradykinesia is a kind of traffic jam between the brain and the body. The signals are there, but they are moving slower and less efficiently, making every action more effortful. It's one of the core diagnostic criteria. If bradykinesia is not present, doctor typically won't diagnose Parkinson's. Now, the third symptom is rigidity. It is a muscle stiffness. Unlike regular muscle tightness, Parkinson's rigidity doesn't go away with stretching or massage. It's caused by continuous involuntary muscle contraction. We often test this by moving a patient's arm or leg. In Parkinson's, they feel resistance, almost like a gear turning in steps. This is called cogwheel rigidity. Rigidity can cause muscle aches and cramps, and it contributes to the classic Parkinson's stoop posture. People may also swing their arms less when walking because the stiffness limits their range of motion. For many people, this stiffness is one of the earliest signs, even before the tremors show up. It can start subtle, like feeling your muscles are locked or not cooperating. And finally, the fourth important notable symptom is postural instability, which is balance problem. This usually develops in the later stages of Parkinson, but not the very beginning. The brain's ability to automatically maintain balance and upright posture gets impaired. That makes people more prone to falls. We use a common test, which is the pull test. We stand behind the patient, give a gentle tug on the shoulders and see if the person can catch themselves. Someone with Parkinson's might take multiple steps back or even fall without being able to steady themselves. This balance issue also ties in with gait problems. Parkinson's gait often look like a short shuffling step with difficulty starting or stooping. Some people experience freezing of gait, where it feels like their feet are literally glued to the ground, especially when passing through doorways or turning corners. This can be frustrating and dangerous, increasing the risk of injury from falls. Well, these are some main motor symptoms of Parkinson's, but there are other motor symptoms too, like micrographia, when handwriting becomes tiny and cramped, dystonia, which is abnormal muscle contraction leading to painful twisting or cramping, drooling and speech and swallowing changes. Well, if you or your loved one is struggling with Parkinson's and you want a permanent relief from this condition, you can contact us and begin your Parkinson's free journey. Thank you so much. Namaste.